I am lazy. I have laziness. Words have meaning. Using I have, then there's something that I can do about it. Things can change, and I'm no longer boxed in. The Enneagram is a personality profiling system. And when we first learn the Enneagram, a lot of times we use labels, meaning certain types have got certain words to label them, like this is a helpful type or this is a creative type. However, labels have meaning, and any type can be helpful. Similarly, any type can be creative. By using such labels, we are actually going to do a disservice to our learning of the personality types, and especially learning more about each individual as a person. In our Neuro-Linguistic Enneagram program, we focus on delabeling. In fact, for the types, we only use the numbers. We do not have a label for each type. And instead of talking about each type with words, we use data points from the 4 multiple intelligences. We will consider from the physical intelligence, from the emotional intelligence, from the head intelligence, and even from the spiritual intelligence. And all these data points will show a very true and meaningful picture of each type and therefore of each person. You are more than the labels people give to you, and you are more than the labels you give to yourself. Come and join us in our Neuro-Linguistic Enneagram program and find out who you truly are and who people truly are. Join us.